already done. It's already over with. I'm going to Target right now, right after this, okay? Pre-looped 8-pack crochet locks with human hair curls. Did you hear me what I say? Boho human hair. How the heck are you? I tested the curly strands to make sure they are human. Get it? Girl, get it.
I just decided to be thick and ignorant. You know what I'm saying?
What's up, Lisa girl? I do have to say this. It was almost a 10. There is one con and one con only to this hair, y'all.
To me when I want it, please. Wait tight on our leg for it. Count down for me. 5, 4, 3, 2. I want, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you.
Hey, cousins, hey, it's your girl Mary K. Come and tell you what it's like today. Tell you what it's like today.
Let the church say subscribe.
What's going on, cousins? Members, what's up, channel members? How the heck are you? Y'all might. You know, every time I do crochet braids, I'm gonna be hype to the type. That type of hype. I cannot wait to give you the listen, I'm already done up. I'm already done. Y'all gonna see what I did in a minute. But it's already over with. It's already over with. I'm going to Target right now, right after this, okay? Okay, y'all, let me just tell you what the hair is so I can get y'all to the demo and all will be well. So this hair is from Toyo Trust, y'all. This is not a sponsored video. This is their boho human hair locks, huh? 22 inches. Did you hear me what I say? Boho human hair locks, okay? Pre-looped 8-pack crochet locks with human hair curls. I have ombre brown, as you can see right here, okay? But they do have other colors. They are extremely lightweight. It's like nothing is on my head, y'all. And this is all 8 bundles in my head, okay?
To be thick and ignorant. You know what I'm saying?
I tested the curly strands to make sure they are human. This hair was very easy to work with. In fact, I was able to conduct my get it, girl, get it. If you're not new to this, you true to this, you already know what that is. But for the new cousins, let me just tell you, get it, girl, get it is when you busting down these crochet braid installs in like 30 minutes or less. This one took me about 18 minutes, y'all. I ain't lying. To install, let me be clear. Let me be clear. To install, it took 18 minutes. Not even 18 minutes. 17 and some change, okay? So I'm being gracious with it. With that 18. The reason why I don't add braid time in is because I don't know what braid pattern you're going to choose to do. This is one of the most basic illusion crochet braid patterns ever, y'all. This is one of the ones I started off with years and years and years ago, before illusion crochet was even popular, y'all. This particular braid pattern is old Bessie, okay? I just braided Cousietta down. That was easy breezy, and that didn't take long either, y'all. So it really just depends on your level. You could do illusion boxes all the way back. You can do cornrows all the way back. You can do no braids all the way back. You can use the rubber band method all the way back. You really, I mean, there's so many different ways to do this, all right? I decided to put some jewels in it. It called for it. This is boho chic for real. This is like the best of both worlds. It's like the sharpness of a new install, but the age of a older boho style. If you know what I'm saying, like I love when my boho styles get old and ignorant. Oh, they look so good. That's the best they look to me. This is like the best of both worlds, okay? I love it. This is definitely giving like Lisa Bonet type of vibes, okay? What's up, Lisa girl? I have 22 inches. They also have 16 inches. I have a pack of 8. Now, because there's human hair with this, the price is going to be a little bit more than normal Toyo Trust bundles, but you know, if you want human hair, that's what they also have others that's not human, it's synthetic hair. So you can just decide however your jacket pocket needs to decide. Now let me get to the con. Toyo Trust, you almost had you a knockout. So they took tracks of human hair and infused it into these locks, okay? I'm not mad at it. But every once in a while, I had a lock. Let me see if I can find one Well, I have it on the thing, so I just put the B-roll in there. I had a lock where you could see the track poking out. I had to fix it a couple times. I took some of my nail glue, dabbed it on there, and just rolled it around on my fingers. And, you know, the hair from the actual lock, the synthetic hair, kind of wrapped around it, and it got it together. So it was an easy fix. And it was not every single lock. Matter of fact, it wasn't even close to every single lock. But every once in a while, one was like that. Just work on the construction a little bit more, but you this close, man. Y'all this close. Y'all this close. Okay, but this is cute. Don't get it twisted now. Because this is sufficient, right? I'm just telling you what you could do to improve upon it. If that's what y'all trying to improve upon it, people paying their ducats for it, you might want to improve upon it. That's all I'm saying, okay? This is not a deterrent. Y'all go get this hair. You're going to like it. But if you happen to get a pack and you have locks, like as you can see, I can't even find one right now. It's not like every single lock, but every once in a while. No. I don't know. But I'm about to go edit this, y'all, and get this out to y'all. This wasn't even scheduled to be out till next week. I'm about to try to get it done today. I ain't lying. Dang, I can't eat for another hour, y'all. I'm fasting. But anyway, I had to come on here and tell y'all. This inspired me. I had to get on camera and tell y'all.
I had to tell y'all what's going on out here in the world.
Boom. I got you. Look, look. Boom, shake, shake, shake the room. But yes, almost a 10. Almost a 10. Y'all mess around and fix that little part, and I can never find one when I need one, but that's okay. Fix that, it's over with. Toya Trish, y'all better do it. I like this. Okay, y'all, let me show you what I did. Hold a minute. Don't go nowhere. Hold on.
Get out the way. Who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm racing the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm trying to get these ends, building empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business. No time for stress over bush. You think success is an option? I'm trying to get this poppin' like woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait tight on I leg for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Eat that, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. My time, my time, my time, my time. Order in the court. Me first, you short. On my time, been off yours, boss. To the floor. It's my time. You was for you, I was for us. You do the math, don't add up. Even on my worst day, down on my luck. I got the sauce, I'ma always come up. I tried it your way, that was a dub. I'm taking the wheel now, cause I trust me. I'ma go get these millions. I'm still hoping and wishing. You always had me waiting, and I'm about fresh out of patience. This time we switching positions. Now you under my submission, like woo. My rules, big moves. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season, like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait tight on I leg for it. Countdown.